Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to my grammar series. As I have already discussed four important parts where I have discussed 20 basic and important rules. If you have not watched, just you go back and collect 20 important rules. Here, today we will discuss five more important rules and we will continue from the series question number 21 to 25. Here is the first question. Rasmika is best actress in Bollywood. Friends, do remember the word best is the superlative degree. As you know that in adjective we do have three degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. The rule says here if you find superlative degree anywhere in the sentence, do remember use the definite article the before it. So the rule is superlative degree of an adjective will take the definite article the before it. Do remember? All right, we'll move forward to the rule. Here is the rule. The definite article the plus SDA, it means superlative degree of an adjective. Example, the best. Good is the positive degree, better is the comparative degree, best is the superlative degree. Here, before best, I have used the best. This is the rule is all about the longest, long, longer, longest. So longest is the superlative degree, carries the before it. Great, greater, greatest. Greatest is the superlative degree, it carries definite article the before it. So the overall rule is do use definite article the before superlative degree of an adjective. All right, I hope you understand. We will move forward to the next question, that is question number 22. Let we work together to complete the work quickly. Very, very important. Let we. Do remember the rule is if you find let anywhere after let, we can use objective pronoun, not subjective pronoun. So what is subjective pronoun? I, we, you, he, she, these all are subjective pronouns. So what are objective pronouns? The objective pronouns of I is me. The objective pronoun of he is him, as you know that he, him, she, her, they, them, we, us. These are the objective pronouns. So the rule is here, after let we must use objective pronoun, not subjective pronoun. So be very careful. After let, here is the word let. After let we have to use objective pronoun, not subjective pronoun. Hence the answer will be let us work together to complete the let us work together to complete the work quickly. This will be our answer, but we will have to focus on the rule. Let plus OP means objective pronoun. Then we can continue with the sentences. Here are some examples, some pronouns, objective pronouns. In fact, me is the objective pronoun of I, you is the objective pronoun of you again, him is the objective pronoun of he, her is the objective pronoun of she, them is the objective pronoun of they, us is the objective pronoun of we. So after let, do use objective pronoun always. All right, so I hope you understand. We'll move forward to the next question, that is 23. We should not told you should not told your friend's secret. Very, very important. Do remember the rule here lies here in modal. If you find any modal auxiliary, what exactly you'll have to do after that? After that, check whether after your modal auxiliary there is V1, means first form of the verb, the base form of the verb is mentioned or not. Here is should, here is the negative or not, but here is the verb told. But told is V2, I mean past form of the verb, not present form of the verb. But rule says after modal auxiliary we must use present form of the verb or verb 1 or base form of the verb. Here the base form is not there. Told is the second form of the verb, not the first form of the verb. Hence, the correct sentence would be you should not tell your friend's secret. So instead of told, it must be tell for the correct answer. All right, we'll move forward to the rule and check. Here is the rule. So I have listed what exactly the words we can use first form of the verb after that. Very, very important. I expect everyone to note it down, please. After modal, use first form of the verb. Here is the first one. Modal auxiliary, use first form of the verb. First form, you understand? Go, play, write. These are the first form of the verbs. Okay. After modal, use first form of the verb. After to, I want to go, not I want to went. So after to, we have to use first form of the verb. 2 plus v1, that is infinitive, we say, exactly infinitive we say. All right, so after to, use first form of the verb. After let plus objective pronoun, as I have discussed previously, after let we must use objective pronoun. After that, here I tell you another one step. After let plus objective pronoun, use first form of the verb. And finally, do, did, does. If you are using do, did, does in your sentence, please use first form of the verb. Just write down the 4 rules, very, very important. And we'll check the rule number 3rd right now. So I have discussed let plus objective pronoun. We will check it whether the first form of the verb is there or not. Yes, here is the sentence. Let we, instead of we have to use us. Let us, look here, work, not worked. So after let, we must use first form of the verb. We'll move forward quickly to the 24th question. The class teacher enters into the class every day with some amazing question. So this is the question, but where is the mistake? Do remember, the keyword is enter. If you find the keywords, how can you find the keyword? If you know the rule, then you can find the keyword. For example, I learned this rule. For example, I'll move forward to the rule first of all. I knew these 2 rules. If I saw enter, I will check whether after enter it is a place or not. After enter, if you find a place, then do not use into. After enter, if you do not find any place, use into. So what exactly I wanted to say? Enter plus into, no place. Enter, no place, but sorry, enter, no into, but place must be there. So we'll go back to the question and we will understand. The class teacher enters into the class. Here, class is a place. So, into must not be used. If I give one example, he enters dash politics. So, politics is not a place. Hence, we can use he enters into the politics. So, politics is not the place. We will use enter. Classroom is the place we cannot use into after enter. This is the rule is all about. I hope you understand. We'll move forward to the last rule. Vikas lives in the America. Very, very important. What is the important part? America is the important part. America is the country's name. Do remember, do not use definite article the before a country's name. But where I can use, just check the rule here. If you find name of the country, zero article means you do not have to use any articles. If you find abbreviation of the country, you have to use the definite article the. Here is the example. USA is the abbreviation, you must use the. America, not abbreviation but country's name, you do not have to use the. So hope you understand. So we have completed today's session. Thank you very much. I hope everybody you prepare well, and we'll meet up in the next week with amazing 5 new rules. Thank you very much to all.